Hi, I'm Jamie with the Flex Stick Company. We've been working with a fellow inventor by the name of Roger Love. Roger uses a nasal breathing tube like this. And Roger got very frustrated because he'd wake up in the morning or in the middle of the night and his tube would be over on the side of his face instead of underneath his nose where it belongs. The reason is uses these sliders to hold it in place. What you do is, normal use is you put your cannula breathing tube in place and you put it in position and it holds it like that. Problem is, if any tension that gets on there, it just drops and now you've got all this slack. Move your face on the pillow, now your tube is over here, it ain't under your nose anymore. Very frustrating. Wake up in the middle of the night having to reposition it. So Roger made this clamp. When you get your clamp from us, it'll come in a package like this. Take it out of the package and it'll be in a single piece just like this. Take it apart by unscrewing the locking screw, set it on the table, then you take the middle section, set it on the table, now you have the clamp. In the clamp that has these grooves and these two locking pins. The two locking pins are in the direction of the tube. So you take your tube, hold it in your hand like so, and make sure your tube is laying in the grooves. And then once you do that, then you take your middle section, line up the two holes with the two pins, and make sure the tubing is nice and in the grooves. You'll feel it when it goes together. It won't be rocking around or anything. It's nice and snug. So then you take your locking screw and put it in the hole from the front. If you try to put it in the hole in the back, it won't go. So if you stick it in, it won't screw in. Turn around and it goes in the other way. So now you're ready to put it on. You take your slider, your clamp, Love2Breathe clamp, slide it all the way down. Now just like normal, take your breathing tube, put it over your ears, under your nose, put it in place. Now you take your Love2Breathe clamp, loosen it, slide it up in position, and then lock it where you're comfortable. And now if I pull on that, it stays in position. See, it's not going anywhere. So now as I sleep, put pressure on my face, it doesn't move around. You don't want it too tight so it hurts your ears, your nose, or your chin. So you adjust it to what's comfortable for you. Wake up in the morning, you can pop it off, and when you're ready to go to bed the next night and put it back on, you just put it back on like normal, and you don't have to readjust it because it's already in position from the previous morning because it's already there. So pop it on, pop on, back off. Anyway, get you a Love2Breathe clamp and sleep all night and breathe better. Love2Breathe with a Love2Breathe clamp.